As you probably know, there are a lot of remedies out there to silence snoring. But an Eagan-based company claims the solution is as easy as drinking water. Heidi Wigdahl explains in this week's Behind the Business.
In a basement in Eagan, Minnesota, Anders Olmensen isn't one to sleep on a good idea. The startup REM Mastered Sleep is helping silence snoring one nozzle at a time.
I wanted to solve unique problems that people weren't solving adequately. For people have to live with a snoring partner every night. They wake up every hour, or they can't fall asleep for an hour.
Then they came across a study on how playing the didgeridoo helped relieve people's obstructive sleep apnea and snoring.
So we're like, okay, this is wild.
It's all about targeted exercises of the mouth and throat muscles. But Anders was looking for a simpler way. Then he saw his dog Comet.
You can see this tongue motion, not even realizing it's doing this tongue exercise to get the peanut butter. I was like, what do people do every day? They drink water out of a water bottle.
Remplenish is the first anti-snoring water bottle, the key being this nozzle.
When you drink out of this, it exercises the muscles in your mouth and throat to help reduce the risk of vibration and collapsibility. So it gives you targeted exercises, and if you try to misuse it, you just won't get water out of it.
One of their studies found 93% of people reporting improvements in snoring and 34% for tiredness.
Drink your water 1 to 2 bottles a day, and that's it.
Every nozzle gets inspected,
just to make sure that, the flow and the resistance is going to be right.
The startup launched in 2020.
I'm optimizing how it looks.
Now the National Institutes of Health has given them a grant to study the benefits it could have on people with sleep apnea.
My goal is to create as many health solutions as I can to help people.
For Behind the Business, Heidi Wigdahl, KARE 11 News.
Their sleep study will be done in partnership with Mayo Clinic, and you can buy their products online at remmasteredsleep.com. If it doesn't work for you, they do have a 60-day money-back guarantee.